There we go, that's the initial setup of the workshop complete. Most of the stuff is in here now, although there's a few machines I still have to add, but that'll be done down the road. Most of the electrics are done now and most of my tools are in here, so it's ready to start working really. I just want to put some wheels on this big bench so I can wheel it out of the way if I want to bring some cars or work on the motorbikes or whatever like that. I have a few machines that I need to order, but that's kind of down the road kind of stuff. You never finish collecting tools, it's kind of a lifelong pursuit. Yeah, so if there's anything that you've seen me do or anything you want me to answer questions on, feel free just to leave comments below. I will get back to you. Especially electrics, that's my area of expertise. Anything electrical, that's what I work as. I'm an electrical contractor, so that's my profession. Anything you want to know with electrics in here, if you want me to do videos on that, I'm quite happy to do them too. But for now, I think we're ready to go. So we've got some good projects coming up. I'm not going to give that away just yet, but stay tuned. I have a new mic ordered, so I heard some of you are saying that you can't hear me. It's kind of echoey in here, but I have a lapel mic, a good Rode lapel mic coming, so sound quality is going to go up, so just bear with me for now. So yeah, that's it. I hope this has been interesting. Again, comments and questions below. I will get back to you. Thanks for all the new subscribers, and this is kind of a realization of a dream for me. It's been a long road to get to here so I can have my own workshop. I started out in a little small shed, then I had a slightly bigger shed, and now I have a workshop. So yeah, it's kind of a realization of a dream, and I just can't wait to get crack on now and just start making stuff. So I'm going to share that with all you guys in the future, so thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.